Fridge mindfulness. As you stand before the fridge, bring your awareness fully to this moment. Feel the gentle tug as the door opens, the cool air brushing against your skin. Notice the sound of the fridge's hum, a soft background that settles you into the present. As the light flickers on, your eyes take in the shelves and their scattered contents. In this moment, begin to observe the mind. What is it doing? Is there a sense of craving, a desire for something specific, or the hope to find something satisfying? If so, recognize this as greedy mind. Notice the thoughts of wanting, but don't follow them. Simply see them arise, like a wave cresting, then watch as they fall away. Perhaps you feel frustration. Why isn't there anything I want? Why didn't I remember to buy that item? If irritation or impatience appears, know it as angry mind. Without judgment, just observe. Feel the sensations of irritation, how it tightens or heats the body and clouds the mind. Then let it pass. Acknowledge it as it is, a temporary state, just a part of this moment. There may also be confusion, a sense of indecision. The mind may wander without direction, unsure of what it's looking for. If this arises, recognize it as ignorant mind, a moment of not knowing. Again, do not resist or try to fix this feeling. Just be with it. Know it and let it be. Whether the mind is greedy, angry, or ignorant, simply observe. There's no need to judge these states, no need to push them away or cling to them. They are like the food on the shelves, appearing, staying for a while, and then being replaced by something else. As you stand in front of the fridge, perhaps feeling a familiar comfort or pause, allow yourself to notice each state of mind as it arises. Greed, anger, confusion, they are all just moments of mental states. With each state, practice bare knowing. Be mindful without needing to act, and simply see what is. When you are ready, close the door gently, carrying this awareness into your next step.